My name's Lainey Thomas, and I did my presentation on phishing. What is phishing? It's an internet scam that baits a user to share sensitive information, such as a password or credit card number. The word derives from fishing, where one puts bait in hopes a fish will bite. The most common phishing technique sends an email to a user that looks legitimate from a well-known organization. Email systems usually filter most spam, but some emails still get through. There's different types of phishing. So there's spear phishing, which targets a specific group or type of individual. Whaling, it's a more targeted type of phishing, but it targets a bigger person. They go after a bigger company or a bigger person in the company. So it's usually a CEO, CFO, or a CXX within an industry or a specific business. Smishing attack that uses text message or SMS. Phishing is a voice call phishing. Email phishing is the most common type, and search engine. Hackers are a top hit on search, and that's how they'll do the phishing. So there's different things to look out for. One being if it's too good to be true, lucrative offers and eye-catching or attention-grabbing statements. They're claiming you'll win something. Just, it's too good to be true. Sense of urgency. They want you to act fast, limit time deals, account suspension if you're not giving them info, hyperlinks, which is directing you to somewhere else, attachments, and unusual senders. It won't be the exact site where they send it from. It will be something else. There will be a letter off or something that you have to look out for. There's ways to prevent this. Use firewall. So that's a buffer between your computer and outside intruders. There's a desktop and a network firewall. Don't give out your personal information to these sites. Think before you click. If it looks sketchy and it doesn't look like it's right, then do not click on it. And check your online accounts regularly. Change passwords. Make sure everything looks good on them. There's additional ways to prevent this scam. So protect your computer by using security software, protect your cell phone by setting software to update automatically, and protect accounts by using multi-factor authentication. So what do you do if you've been phished? You want to remove your device from the network, get it off the Wi-Fi, shut it down, make sure it's not on the same network. Change your passwords. Change your passwords on all these sites and all the things you use so they can't get into it. Inform the right people. So there's certain people you should inform if this happens. Say it's a claim. Amazon sends you an email, you've won this prize, click on the link, and then it's a scam. You need to call Amazon and figure that out. And then avoid identity theft. Make sure you call and they don't have all your information. So this is an example of a phishing. What happened? This is an example of a phishing email. So they're telling you to verify your email or your email will be suspended. A trusted sender sending it, and it's targeted to a certain information type of group. And then these are my sources.